I was so bored. But now we get to open this box. It's Hero 8. So let's open it up. I've been wanting to get one of these. So I'm not an expert at all, but let's open it up from here from the back. See it? And that's it. So hopefully you can hear me good. And how do you open it? Well, this was supposed to go smooth. Oh, there you go. Alright, and the box is gone. You could see an empty box. You could see me through there. Hello. This is the Hero 8. It's supposed to have the Hero battery, a stand, and a cable. So you're supposed to get it. Get this. Instructions. I don't need the instructions. What's in this box? This is what's in this box. Oh, of course it comes with the instructions. How do you get it out? What is this? A mount? Sticky thing. And the battery. Wow. I never seen one of these batteries, but I expect it to be bigger. They look bigger on the YouTube videos. And that's it. The box is empty. So they say you're supposed to pull this out, remove. Am I gonna break this? How easy is this to open up? It's not that easy. Do I need a tool? Maybe GoPro should see how new people open this up. Oh, okay. I see. You're supposed to squeeze this thing together, and then it comes out. Oh, that was somewhat easy and not easy. I guess when you push this latch back in, then you can't squeeze it in. You bring this out and then you squeeze. I was gonna take and pull this out. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I guess this is a mount, and you put it in here. So for the best part, take out the stickers on this. So how do you get it out? Man, this is difficult. All my plans are not what they're supposed to be. Oh my god, can't get this off. Oh, there you go. And this is the little sticker that they put here. I don't know if you can see it. So it didn't have anything else. That was it. Oh, okay, this little tab is so you could pull it out. Maybe it does have the instructions do help you out. Does it go another way in? Let's try to put it in the. Oh, so that's the right way. I was putting it in the wrong way. There you go, and it's closed. And let's try it. Ha! It's on. You could see that it's on. So see, I gotta do the setup. So this is gonna be kinda boring. So once I have it set up and put a SD card in there, I'll show you guys, and maybe I'll take some video with it. I don't know how cool of a video I could take, since there's nothing open and can't really be really out doing anything during the quarantine, so I'm just home bored. So this is it. So I open it up and it works. It's just taking a long time to charge. So as soon as it's ready, we'll do a clip and try it out. I already did the setup. It was kind of easy. You just gotta download the app and that's it. Let's go try it out. Gotcha. I'm just right here in the yard with 2 fans, so nothing epic. I can't go out, sorry.